Hello guys and welcome to a new video of Tech Teach and Help. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can create a free Microsoft account for yourself. So this Microsoft account can be used for your Outlook, then OneDrive, then Microsoft Office, etc. So let's start. For this, first you need to go on your browser. So I am choosing and opening Google Chrome. You can also choose Microsoft Edge or Firefox. So after going to your browser, you first need to type office.com. I have given the same link in the description box. You can go and check it out. So I have by mistake typed something else. Office.com. So you need to type this. I have given the same link in the description box. First there was a mistake. So this is the page which you would be able to see after going to my office.com. So after coming to this page, you need to click on this link, which is sign up for free version of Office. So you need to click on that text. After clicking on that text, the tab would load and something like this would appear. So now here you can create a Office account. So Microsoft account also you can say. So there are two options for creating an account. First is use a phone number instead, or second is enter an email. So I am entering my email here. As you can see, I have typed my email and then you need to click on next. After clicking next, you would be able to see something like this, and here you need to type your password. So I am typing my password. As you can see, I have typed my password here, and if you want to review your password, then you can click on show password. But I have done it, so then you need to click on next. So as you saw in my one also, it is showing that you can't contain the part of your email address that comes before the @ sign. So if you have done any mistake and if you have copied the same thing which is in your email address and pasted it here in the password, then it would not work. So then you need to change your password. As you can see, I have done it, and then you need to click next. So if you want to save, then you can save or choose it never. So as you can see, I have choose never and the tab has closed, and now here it would ask for a verify email. So here there would be a code which would be sent to your email. So then you need to type the code here. I have typed the code, and then you need to tick this option if you haven't done it. So after doing this, you need to click next. As you can see, I have done it, and it would load for a bit of time as it is creating a new Microsoft account. So after doing that, you need to solve this puzzle. So this is not a puzzle, but there would be a puzzle now. So you need to click on next, and then you need to select the arrows and make it in a vertical or in a normal manner the photo. Then you need to click on done. Okay, so as you saw, it is done, and there is a verifying tick mark also. After doing that, it would ask for some adding details, which is your name, first name and the last name. So I am entering the name also. So in the name you can't enter characters like and or etc. So after doing that, you need to click on next. As you can see, I have done it, and now again it would load for a bit of time. As you saw that we again came to our office.com, and here's our office. So as you saw, this is a free office. So in my next video, I will again tell you about the office thing. So how you can get or work with Office for free. So this was how to make a free account, a Microsoft account on your PC. So please like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.